Hello everyone and hello YouTuber. I'm back and welcome back to my channel. In this video is about making a sleeve pattern. Keep watching. Let's start. This is our tools that we need to make a sleeve pattern. Pattern paper, straight roller, curve roller, tape measure, scissor, and a marker. This time I will use a marker so that it will be clear to you guys to see all the line in the pattern. Basic pattern. Let's mark 5 inches here. 5 inches guys. 5 inches is standard any size of sleeve, and then the short sleeve standard size is 9 inches. So 9 inches guys. So there in other side also we put a mark on 5 inches and 9 inches. Okay, so if you are making a long sleeve, it depends on the measurement you have for the length. But this is, I will make 22 inches the long sleeve length. So it's 22 inches guys. And also there in the other side, let's mark 22. So this is 22 guys. Let's mark 22. Okay, and then underline all the marks. Underline. So guhitan po yung mga mark. See, this is the 5 inches and this is the 9 inches for the short sleeve. And for the long sleeve is 22 inches. Okay, so now we have all marked. My measurement is sleeve circumference 16. Half of 16 is 8. So I will mark here 8 inches. I will put a mark. Okay. And then the short sleeve opening, I will make it by 15. So the half of 15 is 7.5. So guys, reminder, the sleeve opening, it can be adjusted depend on your measurement you have. So okay, so for me I will make 7.5, and then the long sleeve, I will make the opening of the long sleeve is 9. So half of 9 is 4.5. Okay, So now we have all this mark. From this edge, guys, we mark a slanting going to 8 inches in the sleeve circumference. So we'll make a line, underline the going to 8 inches that we mark, and then check the how many inches this is. So this is 9.5 inches. We'll divide it into 4. So 9.5 divided by 4, it will be 2 and 3/8. So it will be, guys, 2 and 3/8. So let's mark 2 and 3/8. See, 2 and 3/8, another 2 and 3/8, and another 2 and 3/8. So now, guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first mark that we did, make 1 inch up, 1 inches up. Okay, the second mark that we did, make it 3/4, go up. Okay, mark it up 3/4. So we'll not adjust anything there, only here. So now let's connect all the dot. Connect, go there, in the 1 inch. Okay, so in this part, we're gonna go a little bit curve, only just a little bit curve, guys. See, so now we have an armhole. So now we form the armhole. Okay, so let's make a line on the short sleeve. Okay, use a straight roller, and then going down to the long sleeve open, and we'll use curve roller to connect to the long sleeve opening. Okay, go straight to the sleeve opening. We're done. Let's cut it to figure out our sleeve pattern. Okay, cut it slowly, guys. Be careful, guys, so that not to destroy our pattern. Okay, now we have a sleeve pattern. So guys, hope this video is helpful for you, and if yes, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below this video, and thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye everyone, lots of love.